Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: A comprehensive guide to handling the key event in Python entry widget. Introduction. The key event in Python's entry widget is a powerful tool that allows you to capture and respond to keyboard input from users in a graphical user interface (GUI) application. It is commonly used in tkinter, a popular GUI library for Python. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the key event effectively with code examples to help you understand its practical applications. Prerequisites. Getting started. Before we dive into the code examples, make sure you have tkinter installed, which is usually included in Python's standard library. Creating an entry widget. To use the key event, you first need an entry widget to capture user input. Here's how you can create one. Binding the key event. Now, let's bind the key event to the entry widget. We'll define a function that will be called whenever a key is pressed in the entry widget. In this example, we've bound the key event to the key_event_handler function. The event parameter will contain information about the key pressed, such as the key symbolic name, example a, enter, shift_L, etc. Handling the key event. Let's enhance the key_event_handler function to respond differently to specific keys. For instance, we can check if the pressed key is the enter key and take action accordingly. In this updated function, we use an if-else statement to check if the key pressed is return, enter key, and print a specific message. Complete example. Here's a complete example that combines all the code discussed above. Run this script, and you'll see the entry widget in a GUI window. When you type in it and press keys, the corresponding messages will be printed in the console. Conclusion. The key event in Python's entry widget is a valuable tool for capturing and responding to user keyboard input in GUI applications. By binding the event and defining a handler function, you can create interactive and responsive user interfaces. Feel free to expand on this knowledge to build more complex applications that rely on user input for functionality. ChatGPT.